Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a sweater on. You did it.
Oh, hey there. What's up?
You did it.
I did it, yeah. Good job. All right.
Oh, hey there. Thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome back to Adam's Real Adventures. Today, I'm on a new adventure.
And I'm auctioning off the lake. It sounds like you're doing an auction.
With Ben.
You like went so fast there.
From Conjuring Rock. Yeah, thank you. I'm a quick guy. And Justin from a couple of our other videos. You may have seen Justin in such videos as... We're in Kawartha Highlands Provincial Park. We are going to be camping for 3 nights. And we're going to be catching some fish. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy.
This paddle is so bulky and heavy. It's such a recreation paddle.
This is a pretty recreation trip.
So, what do you want to do, Justin? Hug the east shore or north and then me?
The wind is coming from the west, so we should hug the west shore to stay out of the wind.
Is it coming from the west, yeah?
Yeah. So, how is it?
You know what? Good.
It looks good. Like, yeah. You look like you're doing okay. We are just coming up to the first portage on and through there. Going into Rathburn, and we're making good time, I'm pretty sure. You can hear the waterfall. We'll get some shots of it when we're on the portage. See you at the top, bud.
All right, dude.
So these are the advantages to traveling in a park with cottages.
Yeah, really.
There's docks. We won't see anything like this after this lake. This is Rathburn and there's cottages on this lake, but after this, we won't see any until we come back to Rathburn on Thursday.
Yeah. No, I think it's that point.
Nope.
No, it's that point.
I've been here.
No, I've been here too.
Nope.
Okay.
Feels like we just got back in the boat and we're at our next portage. That was a quick little paddle. This portage is a little longer. I think it's like 340 meters or something. But there's another nice big waterfall on it.
Where are your little twist ties?
They're on the seat. I love paddling in small water like this.
Yeah.
It's so quiet. Keep her going, bud. You want to paddle? Catch some fish. We made it to the third and final portage of the day. We're going into the other end of Copper. This is just like a little creek, Copper Creek, I don't know. And then we should be able to paddle right into Anderson. This is the longest portage of the day, I think. So we're gonna take our time and enjoy it. What do you think so far, Ben?
I think it's pretty sweet.
Yep. That was a nice little creek paddle there.
That was a beautiful creek paddle for sure.
Justin, did you enjoy that one?
I did until I just fell in.
Did you get wet?
Did you?
Oh yeah.
Darn.
Full soakers now.
Nice. All right, well, for you guys, I'm going. This is a good hill, complete with mosquitoes and ankle-breaking rocks. I like it.
455, 456, 457, 458, 459, 450.
Can you do it?
Yeah, this is actually easier than the portage in the dog.
Oh, you almost lost it, bud.
I did. That's close. I'm actually grabbing a new
Copper Lake.
Oh yeah, stage.
Oh yeah, look, friggin' the canoe nicked me.
What?
Caterpillar jumped out of a tree and landed on me while I was walking.
Gross.
Oh. Gypsy moths. They're everywhere.
That one.
So there's not much water here.
No.
This is kind of like a swampy spot, but just where those trees pinch there, it opens up into Anderson Lake, I'm pretty sure. So we're not far from where we gotta be, but we gotta get through this.
Oh no. That's gonna open up into a body of water, and then there's another creek in between.
Okay.
Maybe we should go right.
Right, yeah, sorry.
Just for you folks at home there who aren't here with us, know that it stinks.
Horrible!
Yeah, we're just stirring up all the sludge at the bottom of this swamp.
Smells worse back here.
Yeah. I'm getting it from Ben, don't worry. More swamp crap. You're doing great, Ben.
We can get more.
God, you're doing all the work, by the way. I'm filming.
Okay.
Good hot. Hi.
Okay, we made it to a little beaver dam. We just gotta lift over. See you later, swamp. Won't miss ya. We're not quite done. We gotta go through some sloppy stuff here, but it looks like there's a path out this way, and then boom, we made it to camp. Oh, wow, that's a fire pit. Picnic table. Really good tent pad right there. This is sweet. This is an awesome campsite. We got a little bit of a look out here for the lake.
Not chippy. Please, something that's like a little bit more creative.
No, we gotta pay tribute to the twins.
To the twins.
Because they never have original names for anything.
Well, and they literally helped save a chipmunk this winter and named it Chippy.
Oh, sorry. Wow.
No, wow to you.
Oh, you know these things?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, did I?
Wow,
I
Ben.
didn't know that your kids are animal rescuers.
Wow, Ben.
And they saved a
They
chipmunk.
watch Paw Patrol,
They
dude.
named it Chippy. Paw Patrol. How am I supposed to know?
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Be there on the double. I'm going to set up my hammock
Yeah, I'm gonna.
between these two trees.
Oh, you're not sleeping that close to me, are you?
Where are
Yep.
you going, Ben?
I'm actually gonna go right there.
You're gonna. Okay, yeah.
Right
Yeah,
there.
because I'm gonna go back there.
Okay.
Whoa. Wait, don't move. Don't move. Beep. wait. Don't move.
No, don't do it.
Don't
Don't
move.
do it.
Beep.
Ah, man.
Twister.
Ooh. Do you mind?
Little hammock is set up. Ben, you got your tent set up?
Yeah, boy.
And Justin's hammock. There's Ben back there. I think we're gonna go get some firewood now. That's the plan. Start a fire, make some casts while it's turning into coals, and cook our meat on it.
Fire. while we're working away here, Adam's just trying to catch us some dinner.
Yeah, I'm working too. Got one.
You're on? Whoa, it's bass, eh?
Yeah, I need it.
Can't eat it, can't keep it, but it's a big bass. So
Here, these bass are feisty.
see you never.
Okay, fishing's over for now. Let's go see what kind of work the boys did. Oh, hey Chippy. There's chipmunks everywhere at this campsite, which could be a problem. What happened? You okay? Oh!
Pretty good. Should be okay.
Probably. Boo-boo. You were getting wood. What happened?
Stump.
He got stumped.
Stump by stump. Flip-flops in the wood.
Yeah,
are a bad
flip-flops.
idea.
That's lesson learned, I suppose, right?
Yeah.
Next time you
Gotta get
you need some
gotta
Crocs,
get some
buddy.
Crocs.
You need some. That's
Crocs.
those are toe savers right there.
Yeah.
That's right. Are you okay, Justin?
Yeah.
Be all right.
Oh yeah.
Here comes Dr. Ben. Dr. Ben
There's a
with the
sterile
sterile gauze
gauze
pad. Justin's gonna put it on his foot. That bloody foot! There's blood dripping everywhere.
Okay, should I just tape this on?
I think you should hold that for a second and try and let it clot.
Right.
See if it'll stop.
Yeah.
And then we'll throw another clean one on and tape that up.
Okay.
I was having fun fishing, and these guys had to ruin it.
Did you see the sweet piece of hardwood I got though?
That, oh, look at that. It's like red. That's nice wood.
Thanks. As I was dragging it out of the forest, I got covered with ants.
Nice. Ooh, this is nice wood. Good job, Ben.
Thanks, man. I was pretty happy when I found it.
That's gonna cook us a mean steak. He really did it. Nice bass, dude.
Thanks, man.
Get her back in the water, come on.
I'm trying. See you later. Nice.
Doesn't that feel good?
It does feel good, but I wanted it to be a walleye.
We're gonna get a walleye.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a walleye. Dinner on the grill. Potatoes, potatoes, veggies. Once these cook for a little bit, we're gonna put the steaks on there. Grill them up nice.
Good.
Would you look at that?
That's
Would you look at that?
You
It's
did that side
golden.
nice. That
It's
is golden.
golden. It's golden.
Maybe I will cook on that grill.
It's the heat. It's perfect. And that steak is dry brined. Guga Foods. Check him out on YouTube. He taught me how to dry brine. It's the best thing I ever did to a piece of meat. That's what it looks like. If you want that, do it. This is a good dinner.
That's right.
It's so good. Got sweet potatoes with sweet peppers and onions.
Oh yeah.
What a beautiful evening. It is 7:30. We're all done dinner. We've cleaned up. We're gonna go out on the boats and go fishing. There's another campsite just over there somewhere. The very first video on my YouTube channel is from camping with Nick at that campsite. So I'll link that video down below. Enough talking. Time to get out on the boat. We're gonna do some fishing. I just turned my GoPro off. It's on now. So you want to grab it tight and oh yeah, don't let those treble hooks near your hand. Oh, there you go. Did it go on your skin?
No.
Okay, well take that tension off of it. He's pretty close to it. We don't need another injury. It's not funny. Yeah, you gotta be careful with the hooks. Dude, this is dangerous, man. Are you up for it? The bomber. Sending her out. Oh, they're fighting good. Oh, damn.
Yeah, they are.
They're pulling good.
My drag on it.
It's not even a huge bass. He won't come up. Come on. I'll let you go. He's going again. Okay, there we go. There it goes. Did you catch anything, Ben?
What do you got? That doesn't look like a bass.
Yeah. Oh no, it's a walleye.
Yeah.
It's a walleye. Oh! It got off. No.
Is that a crankbait?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh man. I was trying to grab the net.
It wasn't a bass.
I was trying to grab. No, you're right.
Where's the fisherman here?
I was trying to grab the net. It was pulling good. Walleye quite often don't pull like that.
Oh, they don't have a big bite?
No, they usually drag them in like a log.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nah. All right.
Oh, Ben's on, finally. Little baby. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. It hasn't come up. Get the net. It's a walleye.
Oh, nice. This is the spot, eh? We should have got this campsite. We could have just shore fished and got walleye.
It's a walleye. Oh, it's a walleye. Get in the net. Get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, God, get in there. Come on, man. Lift your rod. Lift your rod. There you go. Yes. Yes. Nice.
That's awesome.
Beauty, bud.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
That's a perfect eater.
For sure. Look at the teeth on them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they got teeth?
That's cool. Yeah,
Big,
well, I just-
sharp teeth.
You want to gill them like that. Just stick your fingers right in the gill.
Don't touch the flesh, though. The red stuff. Keep them just under the plate. Nice job.
Oh, why? What's the red stuff?
That's their actual lung tissue. Like, it's very sensitive.
All right. So we're at this campsite. Do you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys.
We should probably keep catching walleye. Oh,
Are you on?
Oh! Oh my gosh! My lure's just sitting in the water.
Does anyone else want to go see this campsite?
Yeah. Yeah. That was hilarious.
That was
Oh man. So when I camped here last, I stayed right down there.
right there?
Right there where the picnic table is actually.
I was gonna say, like, you sleep there and it rains, you're screwed.
But that's a little bonsai. Remember I was telling you I got a sick shot
Oh yeah,
of that little tree.
That's so cute.
Just like the sun was setting behind it. It was like a gorgeous sky. That was really close. And it just looks like this cool little tree. Shout out to Nick. He knows this campsite. This is our very first backcountry trip together. My first portage trip, so was his. Now we're professionals, right, Ben? Look at us, pros. Super pros. I mean, compared to that, yeah, I didn't even know how to fish. We're just smashing fish here. We had an epic day. It was challenging, it was fun. We caught some fish. A great day overall. We're gonna burn the rest of our wood, then we're going to bed.
Yeah.
Oh, Justin's tired.
Oh yeah.
Ben, you tired?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
So awkward and uncomfortable when I lost all that insulation in our value, so my back was just freezing all night. And then I was using my pillow, my
Whopper plopper. Yeah, that'll do it. Good morning. I'm talking to my audience.
Sleep last night, Adam.
I slept amazing, except for the fact that I had to get up twice to pee. It's so sunny out.
3, maybe 4 hours.
Sun coming into the hammock. I guess I gotta get up now. Let's do it.
You just have to squeeze it in that position.
My flow is really weak.
Prostate.
Yeah, I gotta go get my butt checked. Coffee and oatmeal. Breakfast menu for me today. What are you guys having? What are you guys having for breakfast? Coffee and oatmeal?
Yeah, I think coffee and oatmeal.
Yeah.
Do you have other options?
I can do oatmeal and coffee.
All right. While they're boiling water, I'm gonna start tearing down some of my stuff because I'm not doing anything else. Oh, you gotta have a look at this. This is all apparently caterpillar poop. It's just raining poop.
Oh, hey there.
So I only have my one mug, so I gotta do oatmeal first, then coffee, because apparently these guys don't want me to mix it again.
You're putting both in?
I'm just going for it.
You're brave. What a brave soul.
That's a performance move right there.
I'm really just happy that Justin's so proud of me. He seems really impressed by this, so I'm just doing it.
I get offended easily.
I know. You're sensitive.
Yeah, I'm a little sensitive. Oatmeal and coffee is just weird. It's just off, man.
He's right, it is weird. I just wanted to make him feel like he was doing something wrong. I like to bring other people down. It makes me feel better. Tear them down, bring you up, right?
That's motto. That's life's motto.
That's life's motto. So, this is where the hammock was. It is no longer. I'm packed up. Justin's all packed up. Just waiting for Ben.
I'm 80% there.
80%. That's surprising. I expected no more than 60. Good work, Ben. Keep it up.
Thanks.
All weekend. Week. It's not a weekend.
Yeah, it's not the weekend.
Justin's foot seems to feel okay, so we're gonna take our time. We're not in any rush. We have lots of time to travel today and not that much distance, so we'll take her easy. Maybe catch some fish. I'm paddling solo today, and I'm in this beautiful boat that Frontenac Outfitters let us take for the weekend. It's a 17.5 Canadian by H2O. I'm really enjoying paddling it. I'm excited to paddle it today by myself. So.
Look at all that red. What did you do to me?
We have a very short paddle to our next portage, just through some slop, and then we'll be on the next lake. I can't remember what it's called. We'll have to check the map, but I'll let you know when I know. And they're at the portage. See, there's a sign. Into Serpentine, 440 meters.
Oh, look at him. He's so manly. Oh, somebody trying to come through. So how is it though trying to stabilize with that toad though? Like that's, I guess that's gonna be the main issue, right?
It's okay, I stubbed it a couple times. Just
Okay.
with low visibility with a bug net on lazy feet.
Right.
I don't know if I do my pack and the boat.
We just did that portage. It said it was like 400 some meters. It felt like more.
Yeah.
That was the first, like, kind of bigger one. Let's go.
What up?
Just floating.
Dog line.
This is one of my favorite snacks for camping. Tortilla, peanut butter. I don't have a knife, that's what I normally do, but you just scoop it. And just wrap it all up. Doesn't even matter. Mmm. Oh, so good. I love that. I don't know if you can hear that, but pretty nasty headwind today. I mean, it's actually not that bad at all. But it's a headwind. I call it a head breeze. Head breeze. I think it's supposed to go up to like 15 kilometers, maybe 20, like gusts. Which is meh. Gotta try this. Another beauty day. Okay, we're just rolling up to the big portage. I think this is 1,400 meters, so almost 1.5 kilometers. I expect there to be some hills and some rocky terrain, so it should be a challenge. We're gonna take our time though. It's kind of hard to tell. But this is a big hill we gotta climb. So leave the boats here for now. Come back and get them. I'm holding the camera level so you can see this path goes right up straight through the top of the screen. It's a pretty good hill. Made it to the top of the hill and I'm on the path. So far this trail is pretty well marked. There's portage signs along the trail to let you know you're going the right way. It's a big hill from Serpentine to get up, but once you're at the top, it's mostly flat. Not very useful there. This is cool. I know I already said this once, but the trail is really well marked. The problem is there's these big open areas like right here. And there's so many different ways you could go. But they've got these logs here, these posts with portage signs everywhere. So it's obvious which direction you're supposed to go. Back on that big tree right there, there's one so you can see it from a distance, but it's obvious which way you need to go. Now we gotta do it again. Twice more actually, because we gotta walk back to get the boats, then back again to get back in the lake. Have a little break.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, we're done that big portage. That's the first time I ever double carried portage that long. And it wasn't bad. We kind of decided early that we would just take our time on that portage. So it was nice not to have to rush. Anyways, our campsite is literally just on the other side of the lake. So this is a nice lake though. It's a good size. It's not too big, but it should be good fishing. It's supposed to be splake, bowfin, walleye, and bass on this lake. So Ben and I both really want to catch a bowfin. That'd be cool. But I wouldn't mind a splake either. I think I'm going to put the campsite numbers on the screen so you can see what the sites are like for yourself in the video. If you ever want to come here, you can check out these sites. We've checked them out for you and confirmed that they're good. So,
Or not good.
Or not good. There's a tent pad right back here, probably for Ben. Tons of room for hammocks though, between all these trees. I think I'm gonna go from here to here. Might be a little bit too much, but I think I might just be able to do it. Oh, you look comfy, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh, those fish are calling my name.
Two tandems.
Holy Lord, Thunder and Jesus!
Like I want to take it on a trip and like really.
Okay, that's it. It's not so pretty. There's a lot of wind coming off the lake, but that's the hammock setup. It's gonna keep me warm and dry and comfy tonight. What next? Snack, drinks, firewood. Relax. Let's just chill for a bit. No.
Just like that?
Oh, it'll be less than that.
Good thing I got a camera rolling.
Me too. Oh, it's slippery. Yeah.
How's that feel?
Oh, it's cold. Almost forgot to show you what's for dinner. Just finished cooking this over the fire. Cut this grid pattern into them. Cover them in butter, salt, and pepper. And then wrap them in tin foil and then just cook them over the fire. Super good. And then I have beans and hot salami. Oh, it looks good.
Extra refined.
It is like the perfect slope. And every time I sat down, I'm like, am I gonna go back? And I'm like, oh no, I feel very confident that I'm not. Coordinating colors, like not matching, but they're like nicely contrast. Oh, look at that, he caught a bass. This lake,
Jobs are all done. We're all finished.
If I throw a little
Our work,
keel,
we ate.
then I could
We cut up some wood for later. Now we're gonna go do some fishing.
Adam and him talking to his audience.
You know what really bothers me? Ben knows how hard this is for me. But he's, oh, I want you to do good, Adam. And this is what he does. You should not go check out Ben's videos. He basically steals all my ideas. He just copies mine. So don't waste your time.
I should start giving you credit in the description, eh?
You should change it to Adam's Conjuring Rock. We're gonna go out fishing. That's what we're doing. Have a nice chill paddle. I'm sore. I'm tired. I want to catch some fish. There's supposed to, it's splake here, right? Yeah. There's supposed to be splake in this lake. And bowfin. Either would be cool. We'll see how it goes. Well, as you can see, it is a beautiful night, and although we've only caught bass so far, it's still a good night to be out on the water, especially with a sky like that. So I think we're gonna fish probably for a little while longer, head back to camp, enjoy the fire, and I'm gonna call it early. So if we get a rager going, I'll show you, and if not, well then have yourself a good night. Wait, I'm gonna have a good night. You just hang tight for like a few seconds.
Oh, friggin' time.
What?
About time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Probably the latest. Yeah.
Morning number 2.
Yes. 9 now.
Ben's got the coffee going. I'm in the water. Apparently I gotta make my own coffee.
Yeah.
There, see? That's how he treats me. I bring him out here, show him a nice time. He just talks to me like that. Look at you guys all packed up and me not even close.
So I'm just giving you a science lesson on bee-free water filters. 1 second.
Wait.
So, bee-free water filters. These things are pretty handy, pretty sweet, but the one trick that we've been trying to dial in is how to get it in one scoop. So you could squeeze all of the air out of the bottle, or you can let the water do the work for you. This might work. It worked for me this morning really well. So see, there's still some air in that bottle, so let's just squeeze it out. Squeeze out the bottle. Oh! That's not good. Just do one scoop. That's not bad. Okay, it's only half.
This is not going so well, Ben.
No, it's not.
Today's challenge is gonna be the wind. Luckily, we don't have far to go on the water. It's supposed to be like gusts up to 60 kilometers. So if you've never been in a canoe in 60 kilometer an hour gusts, you probably should keep it that way. We'd love for you to come along and watch us struggle though. Pretty gusty right now, it's not too bad. Thankfully we're on smaller water. Second last portage of the trip. North Rathburn into Rathburn. Double carry. Just bringing the bags first time around and then come back to get the rest of the stuff. This is just a tiny little portage though. Now it's blowing like the other way.
That bay looks more sheltered.
Yeah. Okay, you want to turn?
One, let's go.
Okay.
Make a quick turn so you don't take a lot of waves on the broadside.
Well, that was a little less dramatic than I had expected, but there was some good gusts, and I mean, it wasn't easy paddling conditions, but we didn't have to do it for long, so that's good. Justin handled that like a tank. He was ahead of us the whole time.
Still is.
Yeah, just that little speck out there. Snickers bar. Wasn't feeling like myself, you know?
Hungry?
Yeah.
Like a bit of a
grab
diva?
a Snicker. That's right. Also, surprise starburst. Ooh, piece of candy. It's gonna be tough again to set up my hammock and tarp if it's windy like this. One thing I didn't tell you guys, and I meant to, is that on all my ridge lines, I usually tie a loop knot on one end. I can wrap that around one tree, and then when I attach it to the other tree, I use a taut line hitch, and that allows me to cinch that line up nice and taut, as they say. So I've got my tarp set up a little differently today just because of the wind. So I've
see that, man.
created like a ramp
Interesting.
so the wind can come off the water and up and over. I got in the lowered position right now. I'm gonna bring the ridge line up later when there's less wind, but this just will help the wind kind of carry right over it. Sorry, what was that, Ben?
Oh, nothing. I didn't realize you were talking to your camera.
That's right, you never have anything important to say. Ben, what did you bring for us?
An ice cream sandwich.
An ice cream sandwich. We are gonna eat an ice cream sandwich from outer space. If you wanna watch that, head over to Ben's video, link in the description. You'll see us eat it there and see what we think about it.
What's up?
What are you eating?
Shrimp curry with rice.
The shrimp again?
Oh.
What, you gonna fly in there?
Yeah, look at the deer fly.
Nice, hang on.
He just tried to shake the curry off of.
Oh, he's covered in it. That's what you get.
How am I gonna do this? Yeah, I'm gonna save your life. Squash. What's for dinner?
Jambalaya style rice and spicy Hungarian salami. I fried up the salami in the pot with some oil, and then I threw in the rice. This is the Uncle Ben's like quick. It's like pre-cooked in a bag. It's supposed to be microwaved, but it just needs to be heated up. So I threw that rice in with the sausage and the oil, put a little bit of water in it, just heated it up, and now I'm putting it on a tortilla with some Baby Bell cheese and hot sauce. There's people out there that say that you should provide value to your audience through these YouTube videos. So I just learned something. It may have cost me, well,
Pair of pants.
this Be-Free, Katadyn Be-Free water filter. I just learned, because I didn't know this before, but apparently if you can blow air into it, it means it's not working. And I just finished asking Justin, because I've got some fibers that are kind of just like one's hanging from the filter on the inside. And I said, does yours do this? And he's like, no. So he's like, can you blow air into it? And I was like, well, why? He's like, well, if you can, it means it's not filtering. I wonder. And sure enough, I can blow air through it. So that, and I mean, that little hangy thing's been there like the whole trip, basically. So I may have been drinking lake water this whole time unfiltered. Well, mostly unfiltered. All the little tiny stuff you really got to worry about, it's getting through. So I'll update you from the toilet in a couple days, or maybe later. We're spending the rest of the trip on the Thunderbox. Thanks for the info, Justin.
Yeah, you're very welcome. I hope all goes well for you.
Thanks.
And if you need water,
So sorry, buddy.
we can get you clean water.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
we laughed at you a lot, but we do feel bad for you.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
they don't.
You all eat in the same bag?
Time to go fishing. Well, fishing turned out to be a dud, just like most other things today. If anything else happens, I will let you know. Very nice fire, Justin. Beautiful. Well, good night to me. See you in the morning, which is now.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
What?
Push it.
Why?
Okay, do it. You do you. You do you. Sorry. I'm sorry. No, do it. I don't want to stop you. Sorry. I need to stop you. I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
Oh, let go.
I hit the record button and stopped recording just as you set the hook.
Oh.
I turned it back on, but... Okay, we made it to our last portage of the trip. Just down into and through there from Rathburn Lake.
But we gotta catch a big monster first.
Huge.
Yeah.
Just like that, we're in the car on our way home. Trip's done. You picking your nose?
No.
I'm gonna use that.
How annoyed by me did you get?
Honestly, not at all.
Oh, come on.
No, I didn't get annoyed with you.
Wish I could say the same.
That was a fun weekend. Look, I keep saying weekend. It's not. It's only Friday. We were out all
Weekend
week.
should start.
That's right. Time for the weekend. We got fishing plans, so I hope you enjoyed that video or videos or however it ends up being in the end. I don't even know. I don't know. I can't do this. I hate this. Is this funny, Ben? I don't need to go over anything. You saw the video. I don't need to tell you about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more. Ben's video will be linked in the description of the video. Go check out his because it's probably going to be at least half as good as mine. Thanks for watching. Take care.
See ya.